Whether you're responsible for maintaining spotless schools, welcoming hotels, or professional office spaces, the Tomahawk 3-in-1 Carpet Extractor delivers the deep clean, consistent results your reputation depends on. Start by removing the unit and accessories from the box, making sure all parts are included prior to setup. For optimal cleaning, fill the clean water tank with warm water and then add 2 to 3 ounces of a low-foam carpet solution per gallon of clean water. Next, plug in the unit and switch on the vacuum, pump, and brush. Pull the machine back slowly in straight, overlapping passes. Stop the water pump about 12 inches before the end of each pass to ensure full extraction. For stairs, upholstery, or tight areas, connect the vacuum and water hoses, then make slow, overlapping passes with the upholstery tool to avoid oversaturation. 2 light passes work better than 1 heavy one. When the job is done, empty both the clean water and waste tanks, let the unit dry, and it'll be ready to go for the next day. From lobbies to conference halls, deliver the results your clients expect, fast. The Tomahawk 3-in-1 Carpet Extractor is built for professional cleaning crews who need efficiency, power, and reliability on every job. For more pro tips, click subscribe today.